the government of Russia was defeated and pushed out of Afghanistan, Afghanistan became immersed in civil war. We know that, isn't it? Civil war. That civil war had two sides. The atheists, the socialists, the communists among the Afghanis, and the Muslims who wanted to follow the Quran and the Sunnah. One of the groups that were insisting upon the Quran and the Sunnah were called the students. In the Arabic language, the students is Talib or Taliban. We won't comment on them from a political point of view because that's not the nature of our talk today. But let us comment on them for an accomplishment that they and only they were able to do in the modern world. In the modern world between America, Great Britain, China, Russia, Germany, France, Japan, Italy. On one occasion, those atheists, socialists, communist Afghanis, those criminal Afghanis, they entered some villages and they raped the women. And some of those women escaped. And they ran to seek protection with those students. And those students, they sought to get a fatwa from their shuyukh. What should we do about these Muslims who did this act? Those scholars said they should be punished. They are criminals, and the hukum is to find them and kill them as criminals. Those students then took their weapons and gathered themselves together as a group and called themselves the Taliban, and they began to seek the honor of those women who were raped. And they went from village to village, town to town, until in a 2-year period of time, they conquered all of Afghanistan. 2 years. They conquered all of Afghanistan, except only 19%. 80% of Afghanistan they conquered in 2 years. Of course, they were not sophisticated in their knowledge. They did not have universities. They did not have institutions. Even in most of Afghanistan, there was not a standing hospital. But they established what they called the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. The only standing Islamic Emirate in the world at that time. They were walking, riding donkeys and horses, fighting on foot, fighting for the honor of their women, for the honor of their country, for the honor of Islam, and love for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala inside their hearts.